Yeah, yo, this New York City right here and shit. Look how dark this motherfucker is and shit. Hell yeah, look at this shit right here. This motherfucker right into the street and shit. Out here robbing niggas and shit. Look at this motherfucker police right here. Look at this Maritime Hotel right there. Is it?
Yeah.
Maritime Hotel. You got West 16th Street and shit. It's like a ghost town right quick. This pure darkness. You got West 14th Street. Look at this nigga right here and shit. Tarkesh. It's actually scary driving at nighttime right here, or even walking. Look at this shit. This is New York City, the city that never slips. Slips. Okay, this is scary. I want to go home, right to New Jersey. Where is this? 10th Ave. 10th Avenue. This is gangster. Look at this shit. Look at these motherfuckers about to hit me and shit. We're now approaching 11th Ave. The Henry Hudson.
We're gonna try to
AKA
the
West Side Highway. We're about to attempt to cross the West Side Highway in with no lights. When these motherfuckers are going like 42 miles an hour. We could do it like India style. Honk the horn, just cut these niggas off. So as you can see, this is a place full of zombies, you know? There goes the other place called New Jersey. Jersey City over there. What's left of it. You know what I mean? Look at this shit. This is a Henry Hudson, well, West Side Highway actually. Look at this shit right here. You can't see shit. You have to put your high beams like a ricer. Thinking he has HIDs on. Look at this shit right quick. Jersey City. It's the water over there. This is the West Side Highway. I'm sure y'all folks are getting tired of me talking shit. Nonsense. 8 year! Woo-hoo! I'm saying I gotta represent Brick City. Is it the police lights behind? Yeah, it's all the way in the back. Look at this. That's Jersey City. That's Pier something. Dude, this is scary. No wonder you don't want to go by yourself. Look at the police right there. What?
Navigate to 60 Hudson Street.
Holy shit, this is a fucking clusterfuck. Look at this. What street is this? This is Clarkson Street in New York City. It's Washington Street and Clarkson Street. You have no service? I hear generators.
That's where we need to go.
It smells like diesel. It smells like 4 in the morning, a Newark person trying to make it in life, dieseling up his dump truck, ready to pass the GW at 4:30 in the morning and run the easy pass with some fake plates. Look at this shit. Hudson Street is over there. You said one way, man.
This is nuts.
This is West Houston Street right here and Washington Street. As you can see, everything is still dark. Dark. That's D-A-R-K. Dark. Oh, they got lights here. Oh, it's probably generators. Excuse me. Look at this shit, man. This is like the city that never sleeps. It's actually sleeping. Ain't that some BS? Spring Street. That's a cool looking building. It looks like a Rubik's Cube. Gosh, I can't hear you. Look at this. Oh, you see these plumbing and heating. You hear the generators? I think I have to make a right. Unless you do a ghetto left. Nah, forget it. Look at this. Pure darkness. We're back onto the West Side Highway, West Street. Or you could just do a U-turn right here.
Yeah, no, that's what I did.
That's a big U-turn. Oh, there's a police over there too.
You see it?
Yeah, them niggas in the corner. You're better off making a left here and then coming back around. Just stick your hand outside. Oh, it stopped. It's blocked. Did some niggas crash or something? Oh yeah, somebody got fucked up. Oh, somebody macked in. Look at the SUV right there. Oh, I'm about to go to Coparts tomorrow and buy that shit. Oh, you could have made a left right there. Okay.
I think this will take us closer.
Up there is the Freedom Tower, what's left of it.
I'm surprised that didn't fall.
Yeah, it'll probably fall down like a couple years from now. When they blow it up again. Huh? You don't know where Hudson Street is at?
It's fucking, I know it's near.
Dude, Hudson Street, it's parallel to the West Street. You know that, right?
Yeah, it's just.
When you get off the Holland, it goes north. Look at the police hiding in there and shit. Woo. What is this? Washington Street. It's more that way. Let me just look at my